Welcome to the Sterling company. In this company we are making our production for the Evoscent. Do you know Evoscent? Yes, the new program of our community of Evorich. We want to bring you here to show you how this fabric is working, and you see in the future how they can be this market for us, no? So if you come with me, I will show you the history of this company as well, and you will see the production for the Evoscent and also the warehouse. When you come in to inside to the fabric, first what you're gonna see is like this wing of the perfume what they have, because this company is also making their own perfume. They make also different, yeah, you can pass different material like you see here, you know.
So guys, now we might see a main production of Sterling. Let's go and check it out.
I can smell that we are in the perfume production already. I can smell it. So this is how they make our box, guys. You saw how many guys they are working this, and how the production is going. How they do the refill and then put also with the gloves to be in the perfect condition for you. You see? How they check the quality. This guy, you see, just put the finished product is the flyer. You see, they are counting, checking if everything is good, everything is going well, and you see all of our box is just one part of the production. We have 100,000 pieces, and we want to show you after in the warehouse. Yes. This is the final product, guys. Yes. Do you remember the envelope was making in purple? Because this is our essence of the company, no? This is like the our color of the company.
So this is, you see, the final Evoscent product coming out, especially waiting for you to try these luxurious sleep fragrances, soon to be yours.
Yes. So this is fresh. You can smell already here.
Ready to send to all of you, to all of our partners, to all community of Evorich participate in Evoscent.
Exactly. Man, good. Here you can see it's all very close. The bottles, you see? Guys, do you see? And you can also see here
These are all yours.
our box is ready for you to send it now to you. So imagine, no, you have here more Evoscent, Evoscent, you see? Thousands of boxes just ready for you.
We have more items that you can order from at any point in time. And we'll make sure that we'll take very good care of the product, because quality is built into the product by the people and by their actions and by the way we handle everything. So with Sterling, we can assure you that everything that goes out of here or comes in here is taken care of.
Yes, that's good. That's good for everyone, yeah? Guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and you see all the material of the Evoscent is ready and huge, so just ready to deliver to you.